Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Raf, or Mr. English, and today we're going to talk about personal information and how to use verb be in the interrogative. So let's get started. I want you to take a look at this picture. Do you see this man? What does he do? What's his profession? Well, he is a doctor. Now, this sentence is in the affirmative. Now, what do I do to transform this sentence into a question, into the interrogative? Well, let's see. Take a look at the verb. We're going to take this verb, verb be, and we're going to put it in the beginning of the question. Then I'm going to take the pronoun and I'm going to put it after verb be. So, to create the question, I change the position and of course the intonation. Is he a doctor? So once again, he is a doctor, interrogative. Is he a doctor? So repeat after me. Is he a doctor? Let's see some more examples. Am I? Is he? Is she? Is it? Are you? Are we? Are they? And let's see some examples with each one. Am I a teacher? Is he a doctor? Is she an engineer? Are you from Canada? Are they from England? Now, in this next part, I want you to pay attention to more examples, and I'm going to use some examples in affirmative, negative, and interrogative, okay? Let's take a look. He is a student, or he's a student. He isn't a student. Is he a student? They are from Canada. They aren't from Canada. Are they from Canada? I am a teacher. I'm not a teacher. Am I a teacher? He's an engineer. He isn't an engineer. Is he an engineer? Guys, it's important to remember the intonation for the interrogative. Is he an engineer? Alright, guys. Now, there are some different answers to this question. Is he a student? You have two possibilities: short answers or complete answers. Yes, he is. No, he isn't. These are considered short answers. Now let's see some complete answers. Yes, he is a student. No, he isn't a student. Let's see another one. Are they American? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Yes, they are American. No, they aren't American. Let's see another one. Am I intelligent? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Yes, you are intelligent. No, you aren't intelligent. Is she from England? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Yes, she is from England. No, she isn't from England. Now, guys, these are just some examples to help you. And make sure you do the activities, and remember, always use your English. Bye-bye.